In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Pinterest in Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. We'll be having this Microsoft Store. Just open it. And here in store, we'll be having the search. Just search for Pinterest. And we'll be having the Pinterest app. Click it and just click on get. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient for a while. Once it is installed, you'll be getting the open option. If I just go here and search for Pinterest, we'll be having the Pinterest app. You can create a desktop shortcut or create a shortcut in taskbar also. Just open it and we'll be getting the Pinterest desktop app like this. Just sign in and start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.